What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be talking about the new update on the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hope everyone is safe. We actually have an update on the Galaxy A52 5G. I believe the A52 received this as well. And it's basically going to be a security patch, but it's actually quite a large one at 855 megabytes. So we're going to go and show you how to update your phone first and foremost. If you guys didn't get this option, you're going to want to go to the settings. We're going to scroll all the way down to software update. Click on that. And as you guys see, it says last checked was May 6, 2021. Go ahead and click on download and install. And there's just a few little things over here. Just want to bring this to your attention so you guys can go ahead and update your device. There are going to be a few improvements. As it says right here, it says this update includes improvements to functions as listed below. The exact changes may differ depending on your device, model, country, region, and service provider. Now, this exact device that I have is the unlocked variant. It's going to be the international version. I know Metro by T-Mobile actually just got the Galaxy A52 5G in, so you guys may be receiving this update as well. But there are other bug fixes on here. Overall stability of functions improved. The latest Android security patch has been applied, which is great to see. Device security has been further enhanced, and it says to get the best from your device, please keep your device up to date and regularly check for software updates. It also says the temperatures of the device may temporarily increase during the software upgrade or update because of the data download and associated behaviors. As you guys see, there's a few other things we have on here that I'm sure it talks about. So our Android version is still going to be Android 11. Our security patch level is going to be April 1st. And these are pretty much all of the things that they've said on that page as well. And it's going to be 855 megabytes. And you can either schedule to install it or you can just install them now. And I'm going to go ahead and install it. I'm definitely going to keep you guys up to date later on. I'll probably make a few other videos about the update on this device and pretty much tell you what has changed. But I just want to bring this to your guys' attention. Hopefully you guys take advantage of this and update your phone to make sure it's running as smooth as possible. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you are not part of the Tech King already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech King.